Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we're looking at an air temperature coming in at 77 degrees. We have 94% relative humidity already and an east wind at 5. That east wind helping to keep our sea breeze close to the coastline today, so there won't be a great cooling effect from the sea breeze. And the shower chance that we have will be maximized near the coast. Inland, you probably won't see too much in the way of any kind of appreciable rainfall amounts. Dawn beginning to break on the Sun Coast. We're looking at some pretty nice conditions as we head through 9 o'clock. We'll be up to about 82. But with all the sunshine around, we'll hit 91 degrees, I think, by around 12 noon. And then the rain chances will start to kick in. First in inland areas at about 30% chance. Again, that's going to be for mostly light rain. Then closer to the coastline as we head into the evening, 30% chance there as well, but heavier rain showers possible. And probably the best chance of rainfall will be from about Sarasota southward to the mouth of Charlotte Harbor. Across our region right now, everything's pretty quiet. Don't see a whole lot of activity here. We have more activity over on the other coast thanks to that easterly wind flow, kicking a few showers back toward the coastline. Again, here, nothing very heavy. This pattern will reverse itself, I think, as we head into this week, and we'll start to see the chance of these onshore early morning showers on our coast as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. Right now, it's the east coast that gets those morning rains. Showers heavy across the Gulf waters from Brownsville, Texas, all the way to the Louisiana Delta. That'll be the case because of this area of disturbed weather heading in that direction. Hurricane Center gives it about a 10%. That's it. Chance of any kind of development, so probably not going to happen. That will, however, produce some fairly heavy rainfall chances across that region, and we'll continue to watch those rainfall chances increase to perhaps include some 10-inch rainfalls in places around areas of the central and northern Texas coastline toward the Louisiana Delta region particularly. Also, Mexico has a pretty good chance of seeing some heavier rain as rain and moisture climbs from Gulf waters up the sides of more mountainous regions. We're looking at a big ridge of high pressure again today to the north, nosing in across the state of Florida, producing this easterly wind flow. When you have that kind of an easterly wind, it tends to take our sea breeze, which starts in the afternoon, and push it very close to the coastline, not allowing it to move far inland. That scenario flips as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday particularly. High pressure sinks further to the south, and our winds begin to respond by turning to a more westerly direction. This is the kind of flow pattern that we had to start the week off last week, and what it does is encourage the formation of a few scattered showers near the coast in the morning and then push those showers into well inland regions by afternoon, even focusing the rainfall chances across the peninsula on the other coast, not our coast. So that, combined with the fact that we have some drier air moving in, really does reduce our rain chances this week. Warm and humid again today. A few storms possible, mostly near our coastline, and then drier this week as we see that wind shift pushing the showers toward the other coast. Also, some drier air moving in. East wind turns northwest at about 10 knots, becoming 10 knots through the evening hours. We'll look for a light chop with just 2-foot seas. Forecast calls for 10:32 low tide, high tide 4:09. And another low tide at midnight at 12:48. So here's your forecast. We're looking at 93 degrees, the air temperature, 30% chance today, tomorrow. Next day, we start to reduce our rain chances down to about 20%. Daytime high temperatures stay warm, up around 92. And then as we head into Thursday, the first day of summer, and that will be a warm one as well, with 90s for the rest of the work week, it looks like. It won't be until the weekend when we'll start to boost our rain chances up a little bit, but even then, it'll be just a minimal boost up to about 30%.